Hello students, welcome to ELGA 5 class. Today we will discuss those topics which you have covered so far in Unit 1. Today we are starting Unit 1. So I hope you all are ready with your SR, student reader, workbook, pencil and eraser all the time while attending online class. I hope you all are ready with your required material. So let's get started. In this unit, we will learn about how two or three letter sounds come together to make a new sound. This new sound is known as blend. So students, see our first blend slur. Here letter sound s and letter sound l comes together to make a new sound slur, and it is known as slur blend. So see students, slur as in slide, slur as in slide. Repeat after me, slur as in slide. Great. Slur as in sleep, slur as in sleep. Repeat after me. Yes, slur as in sleep. Slur as in slippers, slur as in slippers. Repeat after me. Slur as in slippers. Slur as in slow, slur as in slow. Repeat after me. Slur as in slow. Great. Now see the second blend, that is stir blend. Stir blend. Letter sounds and letter sound t comes together to make a new letter sound stir. It is known as stir blend. Stir as in star. Repeat after me. Stir as in star. Great. Stir as in stamp. Stir as in stamp. Stir as in stairs. Stir as in stairs. Stir as in store. Stir as in store. Great. Now we will revise whole words in whole words section. So beta, whole words are those words which we read as it is by looking at them and saying them as it is. We do not use letter sounds to read these words. So let's get started. First, we will practice reading the previous level words and then we will read some new words. So let's get started. First is goes. Yes, repeat after me. Goes. His. Second is his. Third, jump. Third, jump. Fourth, feel. Fourth, feel. Fifth, like. Fifth, like. And now come to new words. Them. First is them. Second is most. Second is most. Third is using. Third is using. Fourth is hold. Fourth is hold. Fifth is thought. Fifth is thought. Great. Now in reading and listening section we will read a story. So let's get started. This country is a neighbor of India. As you can see students, one picture is there. This is the picture of a country and this country is a neighbor of India. Many people live in this country. They speak Mandarin and Cantonese languages. They eat noodles and meat using chopsticks. This country is known for its martial arts. One of them is Kung fu. Kung fu is practiced as their sport. Women in this country wear cheongsam. This is a one-piece dress. Do you know which country this is? Yes, this country is China. Now, in the grammar section, we will do one recap activity where we will identify the naming words, verbs, and adverbs which you have done in your previous class. Let's get started. So, here two sentences are given. We will identify the naming words, verbs, and adverbs in the following sentences. Students, we know naming words are also known as noun. Naming words are the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So, in the first sentence, check the names. The sentence is Rita can write quickly. So, here is given only one name, Rita. So, Rita is a naming word. Can is not the name of a person or thing. Write is also an action verb. It is not a naming word. So write represent what Rita is doing or acting in this sentence. So write is a verb. Action words are known as verb. And last word is quickly. Quickly tells how Rita is writing or Rita can write. When a word shows how a thing is going on, that word is known as adverb. Quickly represent how the action is being done. Now in sentence 2, Priya sings for the class. Priya is the name of a person, so it is naming word. Sings. Sings shows the action. So action words are known as verb. So sings is a verb. For the class. Now in the writing and speaking section, I will show you a few pictures that are not put in the correct order. You will look at the pictures and try to put them in the correct order. Here in these pictures we saw a story of a boy who planted a seed one day. So that picture is the first picture of the story, and then he watered the plants. That is the second picture of the story, and at the end he saw it growing into a plant. That is the third picture of the story. So students, in this unit you will be sequencing pictures in the correct order to create a story like this. With this students, we come to an end of our today's ELCA class. Bye bye. Happy learning.